17 years after his passing, Michael Jackson remains one of the recognizable and influential entertainer the world has ever seen. Today I'm creating a tribute painting in his honor, and honestly, I'm not sure how this painting is going to turn out. So in this video, you'll see the entire process from the sketch to the final brush stroke. And by the end of this video, we're going to answer one question. Was it worth it spending over 72 hours painting Michael Jackson? So sorry, I didn't record the sketching process. I started by covering the white canvas with a thin wash of lemon acrylic paint. I do this because the white canvas can distort how we perceive values and costs. Colors can appear lighter or darker depending on the colors surrounding them. If you'd like to understand this concept better, I've made a video explaining it in details. You'll find the link around this video. I kept the paint very fluid so it won't hide my sketch underneath. Next, I applied the blue undertone. Why blue? Because blue is complementary to orange and it helps desaturate the skin tones. As I always say, regardless of skin complexion, natural skin tone are never highly saturated. Keeping the colors slightly muted makes the portrait look much more realistic. I also have a dedicated video explaining this, so be sure to check it out if you are interested. With the underpainting complete, I moved on to applying the actual colors. Some parts of this painting process are streamed live, so if you would like to see every brush stroke in real time, you can watch the live stream after this video. One of the most important steps during this stage was mixing my colors first. Getting the values right before applying the paint made it much easier to achieve a convincing likeness. However, painting can be referred to just like mathematics. There are several ways to achieve a result, so whichever ways works for you might be the one you'll be applying. But this is the process that I use to complete this painting. As I work on the final details, I found myself reflecting on Michael Jackson's legacy. Even 17 years after his passing, people still listen to his music, people still study his performance, people still celebrate his achievements. Few artists leave behind that kind of impact. Whether you're a big fan or simply someone who appreciates creativity, you can't deny the mark he left. This painting isn't just about creating a portrait, it's about recognizing a legacy that continues to inspire people around the world. When I asked in the beginning, was spending about 72 hours painting Michael Jackson worth it? My answer isn't just because I ended up with a painting I'm proud of. It's because art has the power to keep stories alive. This portrait is my way of saying that although Michael Jackson is no longer with us, the light he ignites continues to shine through millions of people around the world. And maybe that's what legacy really is. Not being remembered for a moment, but becoming a light that helps others find their own. So this painting isn't just about Michael Jackson. It's about the power of life that continues to inspire long after the person is gone. His physical presence may be gone, but his light never went out. This is a reminder that true greatness isn't measured by how long someone lives, but by how long their influence continues to inspire others. And now, after hours of sketching, painting, correcting mistakes, refining details, and trusting the process. The portrait is finally complete. Looking at the finished piece, I'm reminded why I enjoy creating art. Not because every painting turns out perfectly, but because every painting teaches something. Every challenge forces growth. Every finished artwork tells a story. And this one tells the story of light that keeps burning brighter years after it's passing out. The light that ignites and inspires other lights. So, let's go back to the question I asked at the beginning. I spent about 72 hours painting Michael Jackson. Was it worth it? For me, absolutely. But now, I want to hear from you. How do you think this painting turned out? And what's your favorite Michael Jackson song? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this tribute artwork come to life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another Michael Jackson fan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.